In this video, I'm going to show you how to share PowerPoint on Zoom step by step so you can present your slides clearly and professionally during any meeting. Whether you're teaching a class, giving a business presentation, or hosting a webinar, this is one of the easiest ways to get your PowerPoint onto the screen for everyone to see. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint and make sure your presentation is already loaded and ready to go. It's always a good idea to have your slides prepared before you start the Zoom meeting, so you're not wasting time searching for the file while everyone is waiting. Once your presentation is open, move over to Zoom and either start a new meeting or join the meeting you've already scheduled. As soon as you're inside the meeting, look for the green Share Screen button at the bottom of the Zoom window. Click on Share Screen and Zoom will open a window showing all the things you can share. At this point, you have two main options. You can choose the PowerPoint window if you only want your slideshow to appear to the audience, or you can choose entire screen if you want to switch between apps or show other content during your presentation. If you're just presenting slides, selecting the PowerPoint window is usually the cleanest option, but if you plan to move around between PowerPoint and other tools, the entire screen can give you more flexibility. After selecting the correct option, click Share. Zoom will now begin sharing your screen or your PowerPoint window with everyone in the meeting. Now, it's time to start your slideshow. Go back to PowerPoint and press F5 on your keyboard, or click Slideshow and choose from Beginning. This will launch your presentation in full screen mode so your audience can view your slides properly. If you're on a laptop and F5 doesn't work, you may need to use your function key plus F5 depending on your device settings. Once the slideshow starts, your audience should be able to see each slide as you click through them. You can advance your slides using the arrow keys, click your mouse, or use a presentation remote if you have one. If you selected the entire screen, just be careful not to show anything private while switching windows. A helpful tip is to test everything before an important meeting so you know your audio, display, and slide transitions are working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share PowerPoint on Zoom. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make your presentations look much more polished and confident. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.